Good morning, one and all. I am Tejaswi. I am working as assistant professor in Marri Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management as a department in CSE AML. Today, I am going to discuss about the subject is computer networks. First of all, what are the course objectives of the computer networks? The course objectives of the computer networks are to understand the fundamentals of computers networks, TCP, IP, and OSA model. This is the first course objectives of the computer network. And the second one, to know data link layer issues and protocols. Third one, to learn network layers, protocols, and IP addresses concepts. Fourth one, to identify end-to-end communication and various aspects of transport layers. Fifth one, to understand various user service in a network. These are the main course objectives of the computer network. First one, to understand the fundamentals of a computer network, TCP, IP, and OSA models. Second one, to know data link layer issues and protocols. Third one, to learn network layer protocols and IP addressing concepts. Fourth one, to identify end-to-end communication and various aspects of transport layers. Fifth one, to understand various user services in a network. These are the main course objectives of the computer network. And then next comes to the course outcomes. At the end of this course, students must learn to describe basic concept of computer networks and reference model. Second one, apply the data link layer concepts. Third one, know allotment of IP addresses, best routing path calculation in network. Fourth one, analyze TCP UDP working and know how to handle congestion. Fifth one, observe and apply in application layer issues in various internet services. These five are the main course outcomes of the computer network. And then coming to the syllabus, the computer network have 5 units, and the first units comes under introduction, networks, user of networks, types of networks and reference models, TCP IP models, and the OSA reference models, TCP IP reference model, physical layers, and wireless transmission media switching. This is comes under unit 1. And the second unit, the topics was data link layer. In data link layer, concepts under design issues, error detection, and correction elementary data link layer protocols, slidings, and window protocol. This is comes under unit 2. And then the concept of unit 2 was multiple access protocols and collision free protocols, Ethernet physical layer and MAX-up layer. And then comes unit 3. The concepts of unit 3 was network layers, connection oriented networks, routing algorithms, and shortest path loading distance, vector routing concept and hierarchical routings, congestion control algorithms, IP addresses, IPv4 packet fragmentation, IPv6 protocols, IPv6 APR, RARP. The total unit 3 concepts are network layers. And comes under unit 4 concepts are transport layer. The transport layer comes under topic was services provided to the upper layers, element of transport protocols, connection release, error control and flow control, cache recovery, the internet transport protocols, UDP, introduction to TCP, the TCP service model, the TCP segment, header the connection establishment, the TCP connection release, the TCP sliding window, the TCP congestion control algorithm. This is comes under unit 4. The unit 5 concepts are application layer. It comes under the topics are introduction of the application layer, providing services, application layer, paradigms, client server models, HTTP, emails, worldwide websites, telnet, DNS. This is comes under unit 4. So these 5 units are syllabus of the computer networks. And then comes to the textbooks, mainly computer networks follows the good reference textbook was Andrew S. Tenenbaum. All of the most students and faculty follow the computer network textbook was Andrew S. Tenenbaum 4th edition. This is the best textbook of the reference textbooks of computer network. And then other reference books are Engineering Approach to Computer Networks, S.K. Shaw, second edition. And then next was a top-down approach featuring the internet, James F. Curious, K.W. Ross, third edition. These are the references books of the computer network. And comes what are the first introduction of computer network. What is the computer network? First of all, what is the computer network? A computer network is a collection of interconnected computing devices, nodes like computers, servers, and printers that share data resources and service using standardized protocols over wide or wireless transmission media. A computer network is a collection of interconnected computing devices. The key concepts and components of computer networks are nodes, network devices, media, protocols, topology, and topology. First of all, what is node? Any devices connected to the network such as computers, printers, or servers. That is called as node. What is network devices? Equipment used to manage, connect, and direct data, including switches, routers, and hubs. This comes under network devices. Media. Media means the physical or wireless pathway for data transmission, including cables, fiber optics, and Wi-Fi. That is called as media. And next, protocols. In protocol, standardized rules that allow different devices to communicate and exchange data efficiently. And next one, topology. The physical or logical layout of the network, such as star, bus, or mesh configurations. This is the introduction of the computer network. Next one, types of networks. The main types of networks are LAN, WAN, PAN. The main types of networks are LAN, WAN, PAN. First of all, what is LAN? LAN means local area network. It covers a small area like a home or office. It covers a small area like a home or office. Next one, WAN, wide area networks. It covers a large geographical area such as the internet. Next one, PAN, personal area network. It's connected devices within an individual workplace such as Bluetooth. These are the main types of computer networks. Next one, what are the purposes and advantages of the computer networks? The main purposes and advantages are resource sharing, information sharing, communication, security, and speed. This is the main purpose and advantages of the network. First one, resource sharing. Second one, information sharing. Third one, communication. Fourth one, security and protocol. First of all, what is resource sharing? It allows sharing of hardware, printers, scanners, and software. Allows sharing of hardware, printers, scanners, and software. Information sharing means it facilitates file transfers and centralized data management. Next, coming to communication, it enables email, instant messaging, and video conferencing. This is called as communication. Next one, security and speed. It provides centralized security, backups, and fast, reliable data transmission. These are the main advantages and purpose of the computer network. Next, coming to the benefits and uses of the networks are resource sharing, communication, Centralized data. Resource sharing. Multiple users can share a single printer or large storage server, reducing cost. Multiple users can share a single printer or large storage servers, reducing cost. And next one, communication. It enables email, video conferencing, and instant messaging. Next, centralized data means it simplifies backups and allows user to access file from any device on the network. This is the main benefits and uses of the computer network. And next one, coming to the applications of networks. The main applications of computer networks are resource sharing, information sharing, communication, remote computing, distributed processing, grid computing. In resource sharing, it contains hardware, computing resources, disks, printers, and software are using softwares or application software. In information sharing, it is easy accessibility from anywhere, files and database, and search capability means worldwide website. In communication, how we'll communicate? Email and message broadcast. And next application was remote computing, and the final applications of network are distributed processing.